Well, hey, all you viewers, be named later. How we doing today? I know we're going to take a look at something pretty brand spanking new. All right, this company's new. It's the first time I've ever had them on the channel, and I got to tell you, they just blew me out of the water. All right, I'm going to get there in just 1 second. Today we're going to take a look at, well, Clever Beard's Pumpkin Spice Sampler Pack. I know it's going to sound weird, okay? But I'm going to give you a little info. We're going to break everything down, and we're going to have a little bit of fun with this one. I have been seeing them basically making their rounds on the talk show circuit. I saw them first on Beard Therapy. I guess the owner was a student of Barbado Joe, which is just got to be weird in itself that, you know, the student has surpassed the master. Ooh. Then I saw them on Meet Your Maker, and I went, I like this company. I like what they're talking about. I want to bring their products to the channel. The fact that they had this neat little kit, and in that kit you get, well, all right, where is everything here? Hold on. You get a 1 ounce oil. You get a 4 ounce wash. For those of you who use balm, you get a 1 ounce balm. And you get what they call their neck balm. I'll get to that in a moment. Oh yeah, a little TSA safe little carrying case. All right. I also, in that order, decided to add a butter, but I'll get there in just a moment. Let me give you a little info about the company like I usually do. You can find them at www.cleverbeardco.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave that right down below in the description box. They are very proudly made in the USA, and it appears they're out of Chicago, Illinois. Sorry. They literally got their start February 27th, 2020. So you want to talk about a brand new company, they've been around, what, almost 7 months now? 6, 7 months? They are like wet behind the ears new, and they have just impressed the living you-know-what out of me. Now, what I thought was cool is they got their name because the boss man, you know, he does fantasy football leagues, fantasy baseball leagues, and everyone's got to come up with silly names like Hanging with the Mahomes. And he got tired of it, so he just went clever baseball name or clever football name. And the last fantasy league he got himself into, he said, well, if I win, I'm going to take the winnings and I'm going to start a beard company. Hence, Clever Beard Co. I think that's funny. I think that's great. I think it's just, yes, it's something entirely different. It's something personal, and it's something people can relate to. So I thought that was cool. Now, the cost of this huge kit is basically $40. I took it a step further, and I grabbed me one of their butters. I figured, why not? Let's get it all together, right? Problem. And this is what impressed me about the company. We're not going to go into the breakdowns of what's what and what's where and where it's wherever. I'm going to show you the products, okay? And we're going to avoid the usual, this is how you use this is how you use that. We've got 4 products. I'd be here an hour and a half. But I'm telling you, these guys are great. So, when it arrived, first thing I thought was really, really cool, and I had to put it in a plastic bag, was there was a great handwritten note, but I don't know if you can see it too well. It's kind of got stains all over it. I went, what the heck? What I thought was neat is they sent the butter, and I believe it was the balm or something else. It was inside one of these, one of those little thermoplastic bags. But of course now I can't get it open because it's been kind of pressed down for a while, right? But the inside of this thing, it wasn't covered in crap. You know, you would expect it. Alright, whatever. I having a problem getting her open. But yes, so there was nothing in here that was coated in like melted butter or melted balm or melted wax or whatever. But when I got my butter, it looked like that. Yeah, you guys are noticing the same thing I am. Basically, I've used it once after I melted it down, and that's how much got itself destroyed in transit. Now, granted, that's been melted down, so it's not looking like it did. There was a huge part that was kind of stuck to the little paper thing they put over the top, and everything was basically gone from the inside. So, I did some other looking with some of the other stuff. And is this the original? Yeah. Well, you can tell some stuff shifted in transit. Okay, and by the way, I know I'm gonna mess this up, but their neck balm is kind of like when you shave and you get like the razor bumps. That kind of helps control that. But what I thought was really, really cool is, okay, so the balm really didn't have a problem. I don't know if balms are supposed to be yellowish like that because I really don't use them that much. The stuff that I use has basically been white, so no biggie. I got a hold of them. And I did not expect them to get back to me as quick as they did. They got back to me in under an hour. They're like, oh my God, we are so sorry. Oh, before I forget, they even threw in a cold pack in with the butter. They did everything they could do to ensure nothing happened. And I know I'm forgetting. I threw it away. They even had like this little styrofoam cutout that this thing sat in. So they did everything they could do to ensure that that butter was going to make it safe. They sent a replacement really quick. They didn't have to send the replacement neck balm, but they did. They sent another one because they're like, oh, well, stuff moved in transit. Even that one did a little bit. I told them they didn't have to, but they did it. Their customer service for a brand new company was just utterly impressive. Hold on. Kids fighting over distance learning. They're seriously fighting about who's got the better laptop, and they all have the same thing. Oh, I love my kids. But okay. So, like I said, the customer service for a brand new company was just wow. And they were like, when the second one got sent out, they were really quick. They're like, hey, here's the tracking number. If there's a problem with it, we're going to refund this. We're going to give you $10 credit. I'm like, I get it. Stuff happens. But the fact they were willing to do all of that, I was like, holy crap, guys, that is cool. Now, let's get on to the fun bit here, okay? Now, their oil is really, really cool. And what I like about their label is the label's pretty much, I don't want to say generic, but it's the thing, but the stuff alongside the owl changes with each oil you buy. Like you can see right there, there's little pumpkins. And I like the fact they have like the little spice thing on the side. I picked up a couple other of their oils because that company blew me away, and every label is different, but it's got the brown with the owl and the clever and the stuff that changes. Now the scent on this, I love it how they go, it's pumpkin and autumn spices. But I'll be honest, I really truly smell the espresso more than I do anything else. Yeah, it's got a really, really strong coffee espresso type scent. Not that it's overpowering in any way, and once you get it in your beard, I'll be honest, it was gone in like 3 to 4 hours, which is okay for a coffee scent. I don't expect it to last all day, and it was a really, really pleasant smell to it. It's a medium bordering on lightweight oil. It's not really runny, and it's not like motor oil going in your beard, but it's got a great consistency to it. I love the wash. Really wasn't stripping at all. And oh yeah, before I totally forget, because I know there's lots of people who love the ingredients, and yeah, I'm doing this review a lot different than any other one I've ever done, so I guess we can all deal with it together, right? Alright, let's try this again. Camera took a dump. You guys might want to freeze frame on that, because there's all the ingredients for everything. Alright. The wash is really cool. It's not a heavy wash. I didn't feel like it was stripping, but it really got my beard clean, and I did like the after smell, especially when I knew I was going right into using like a pumpkin spice product. I got a bit more of the pumpkin out of this, but I still got a lot of the espresso. Seeing how the the butter's not in the kit, but I'll talk about it. Broke down easy, broke down great in my hand. It gave a great coat. My beard really drank it up, and it had that great pumpkin-y espresso smell. Now, I usually don't use balm, and I don't shave, so I'm not using neck balm, but I'll be saving the neck balm for when my kid, starts his shaving stuff. But I gotta say, for a brand new company, they put a lot of effort into their products. They put a lot of good stuff into their products. And like I said, I'm not really breaking everything down, like how to use it, how to do this, how to do that, because we'd be here forever. We really would. But I gotta say, Clever Beards, it's really worth your investment. It's really worth looking into. They put a lot of time and effort into their stuff, and they even have a great product that gives to a veterans charity. So that right off the bat perked me up, and I went, I've got to go get that. You will see that in a future video. Guys, they're worth your time. They really truly are. They're worth your time. They're worth your money. They've been running some killer sales that I've seen. Always check their website. No, I don't have a discount code or an affiliate code. This is my first review for them, and I don't really pressure anybody for that stuff. That's not my channel. That's not been my way. But still, I know this one's different, but I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Have you used Clever Beards before? Do you have good experiences with them? Do you have bad experiences with them? I will tell you straight up, my first experience with them makes me go back and bought more product. They went above and beyond in the customer service department. They went above and beyond in the caring, and their products are really, really good quality products. Now, with that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we did things a little differently today, and it's kind of part of the fun, Break up the monotony a little bit and get stuff rolling, right? Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe to my channel, well, why not? Why don't you tell me what I can do to earn your subscription right down below in the comments section? Let's be creative and let's be nice, okay? Let's see how you can change the course of, the history of my channel. You never know what your suggestion may bring that may make me relook at stuff. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked it out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a great question. Because you're going to be able to let YouTube notify you every single time I upload a brand new video to my channel. Yeah, I'm still trying that line out. Trying to get a little bit better as I screwed that one up. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much, 2 of them will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My quick look at, well, here, let me grab them all. Clever Beards Pumpkin Spice Sampler. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day. I hope all of you are having a safe day, and we'll see you in the next video.